I called the exact bottom on Bitcoin and I told everyone live when it happened. Now I've done the opposite. I've just took a short trade, and this from this exact target just right here, because the order flow told me to allow me the time. It told me basically that the shorts were in control, and here is exactly where I think it's going. My first target is already tapped. It was this point of control as stated when I took the trade, and letting you know I'm looking for a take profit one here at the point of control. That was a trade, value high down to value low with a point of control here in between as a checkpoint. So we did went and we've got the move into the point of control, so this offers a nice little take profit one. Now if we drag this fixed range to the right, you can see that the point of control shifted right into our entry. So the next target becomes very simply here the value low of the full range that is sitting exactly at $61,510. Like always, it's a zone of price, it's just not one single level. So here we can look down to this pull low just right here at $60,692. This is of course a support down there, so we can look for a take profit on the short, and also we can look for a long trade. I'm gonna be really interested in longing this because overall what we are looking for with a wave is still some higher prices between this red fib, the 38.2 of the wave 4, and the 50% here, the green fib of the wave 4. So if we really talk about price, we talk about 64,837 up to 66,618. This is a zone of price where we have more chance to go and reject from, because the wave 2 here was very small, and after a small wave 2 we look for a big wave 4, and this is where lands a big wave 4. If now into this range we are not able to hold this support down there, what we can look for next in that case, if we lose that, again to determine this, simply read the order flow at a time. And if you want to know if I'm taking this, simply join the Discord server by signing up on our website. So if this support does not hold, we can simply plan next the wave 5 targets. So it would mean that the wave 4 is in. That is less probable but not impossible like always. So if we have to do this, simply take the extension tool, click first on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 bottom, and third on the wave 4 top. From here you add the wave 5 targets like this, so the MC extension 618, 71, 786, but as you can see right here, this will bring us with a wave 5 that stopped before the wave 3 bottom. This is called a truncated wave 5, and this is a lot less probable, so we can delete this and simply target and look for the next ones. So we have next the 100%, the 1618 and the 2618 of the wave 5. Wave 5 100% is at 58,668. 1618 of the wave 5 is at 55,226, and the 2618 is at 49,655. And don't forget, this wave 5 completes a bigger wave 3. So after this wave 3 is in, we can look for the 4 and then the 5th. Now what I'm looking for more likely is a drop into the value low, manage to get the nice long reaction on the order flow. We can only know this live in a time. It's impossible to say what will be the reaction. The reaction is really live in a time. So if we get the good long reaction, we can look for another increase in price, and this is what will more likely happen if we manage to get this drop into this value low, because again we have more chance. It's all about probability. We have more chance to go into the zone of price before to look for the wave 5. Now in any case, if we lose the value low right here and drop below it, we already know what target we can look for. And another scenario here would be I get stopped out, because now I move my stop loss on entry. So if we just get, for example, this increase in price, it stopped me out. It's my entry is a little bit above here. If I get stopped out of this short trade, well, I'm gonna simply re-enter if we just fail to get acceptance above this point of control. Okay, this is really as simple as that. If it fails to go above this point of control of the range, so simply $63,380, if it fails to go above this point of control, if I get the good short reaction on the order flow here, I'm gonna take the short trade. And guess what? I'm gonna let you know, like always, live in the time in the Discord server. Now, if we reclaim the point of control, well, we can target, of course, the value high and look for an increase in price above these highs. But basically, what we can look for is simply a move into the 38.2 of the wave 4 up to the 50%. And by the way, if you want to get this very nice software for absolutely free, guess what? There is a lovely giveaway right now running on the website. You can sign up on our website for absolutely free. Click the link in the description and you can just enter this giveaway. You have a few things to do to gather some points. More points, you have more chance. You have to win the Exocharts month. There are 3 Exocharts months to grab. You have 3 winners, 1 month each, and in addition to this, new VIP signups for the next 3 VIPs will get another 3 Exocharts months, and all the existing VIPs right now, send me a DM, I will send you a free Exocharts month also. You've got a very nice update that really changed a lot of things, because this was, well, pretty buggy for quite some time. So this is a real nice stable version of Exocharts that we didn't got for quite some time. So yeah, really lovely. And yeah, this is how, for example, I was able to say yesterday that I took the short trade limited time and let everyone know in the Discord server, and how I have been able to get this very nice drop into the path control, as you can see just right here, for a nice little take profit one. That being said, if you enjoy the content, smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, write some comments down below. This really helps a lot. Thank you so much if you take the time to do it, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers.